Hey guys, good morning. This is about 11:10. I've been up since I overate last evening, and that's become like a problem, right? I mean, it happened. Otherwise, I don't. I'm disciplined, pretty much disciplined about my dinner these days. But because of the show yesterday, I had brunch at about 12:30. After that, it was 5-6 hours when the show ended. I was famished, so I was so hungry. So I had the rice bowl at KFC, and I had one chicken piece with that. Then I survived for that time, and then I went to Gupta and had barbecue chicken wings there as well. So I had like a lot of chicken yesterday. Because of the schedule it got a bit messed up, and because of that I got up in the morning, so yeah, my sleep cracked. And then I slept for a while, then I got up again about 8 o'clock. So my sleep hasn't been enough, so I'm quite sleepy right now. So I'm gonna sleep for a while. Mummy was over for the weekend, so she went back right now. So I have time now. It's so hard to fucking record a video because I came in the parking to record the video again, but now there's a biker coming, and I came inside because there was somebody like throwing water off the balcony. It's hard, recording videos outside the house is hard because you have to be in a closed environment mostly to record videos, but otherwise there's some disturbance or the other. But it's fine now. It's like I think it's almost, that's the start to the day. I'm gonna rest a while and push some of the stuff I was supposed to do now, and then I'll start the day. I have to visit the tattoo guy, Varun, and discuss my tattoos with him, and then hopefully get the tattoos by tomorrow. If I don't get it tomorrow, I'll get it day after. That's the most I'll get it. But I'm going to the gym today at 5, and in case I get the tattoos tomorrow, it's going to be about a week, at least 2-week break from the gym. So I'm emotional about it. So I'll catch you guys later. I just woke up, put out an alarm for like 1 hour 55 minutes. So it was 1 hour 25 minutes. Yeah, 1 hour 25 minutes, and I just woke up. So I did sleep for 1 hour 25 minutes. So that's 60 and 25. 85 minutes, I took a nap. So I think I should be as sleepy as I was before sleeping for the rest of the day. बट रात की नींद का कोई तोड़ होता नहीं है, बट चलेगा ब्रो, चलेगा. Hey guys, heading to the gym now. It's very hard. Actually, I don't even feel like going to the gym at all. I'm already taking about a week or so break from tomorrow, but I'm going today because I told myself I'll go today, so whatever. Because Mondays my body and mind are usually in a shutdown mode because of all the running around over the weekend. Especially yesterday, I went to Veer Das, then I came back, did the 10 p.m. show, like sat there because 8 p.m. got cancelled, ate a lot, whatever happened. So generally my body and mind are both in a shutdown mode on Monday. They're like, fuck you, हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे, हम करेंगे नहीं कुछ, so कुछ कर नहीं पाए उस वजह. But I'm going to the gym now because I'm not going to the gym for like a few days if I get the tattoos tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. See, my mind's not working. I don't know what to say. Hey guys, so I'm kind of a bit of a walk in Gallery Market right now. The show happened today. There were like about 10 online tickets. Plus there were few that they sold offline, so about 12-13 people in the audience. Really good crowd overall. There were 3 guys from IIM something. I don't know which IIM they were from, but 3 people they studied at IIM, and they're working in Amazon, Cardeco and Blinkit respectively. So really fun guys, Gen Z audience. Then there was a guy, he was a ridiculous person, and he was like, I'm into non-monogamous relationships, and they don't even have to be married. So people, I don't know what the fuck are people doing with their lives in terms of relationships these days. Still, I'm on 8 dating apps right now. I mean, frankly, if I had all the time, I could talk to that guy for like half an hour only in terms of crowd work, but I had to get on with the show. But yeah, and there was two other guys, and yeah, overall good crowd. And I'm just doing a bit of a walk because I'm kind of trying to digest the shawarma that I had. After that, I'll go home, and then I have a call at 11:30. It was supposed to be last week, but then he said you have to be seated for the call, and I wasn't seated, so I'll take that call today. It's about some reach out to people for stand up and finding some leads and all that. So let's see. If it's interesting, I'll carry on. Otherwise, I'll just cancel the call. But for now, I'm just walking. I'll finish the walk. I'll hopefully finish about 13,000-14,000 steps. Right now I'm at 12,000. Rest I'll finish later. I'm getting my tattoos tomorrow, so this week for the next one week or so I'll only be on walk in terms of fitness. No gym for the next 7-8 days. Cool. Hey guys, the day review for 11th of May 2026. The day is almost over. It's 11:20 when I'm recording the day review. In 5 minutes I'm going upstairs, and then within half an hour so I'll be in deep sleep. I know, because I'm sleepy. The day was good overall. I think Mondays are generally a bit slow for me, and I'm tired from the weekend, so I allow myself a bit of slack on Mondays. There'll be no gym stories for the next 7-8 days because I'm getting my body tattooed again tomorrow. Again means I already have 2 tattoos, so I'm getting about at least 6 to 7 tomorrow more. It's insane. I'm getting a lot of stuff that I want to always keep reminding myself of, literally tattooed on my body. So that's gonna happen tomorrow. I did the gym today at 5, just chest and triceps, and that's it. And now it's a break for like 7-8 days. No gym for 7-8 days. So whatever. I'll have to rely only on walking and keep looking at my tattoos. So I really look sexy without the glasses, but sometimes I just wear glasses to not look so sexy and not to overwhelm you guys with so much sexiness. I'm just kind towards you. So that was the day overall. Slacking day. Tattoos tomorrow, and good show tonight. About 12 people on a Monday. Pretty good. Okay, bye, good night.